Ready to unlock the secrets of your website's performance and understand exactly how your visitors are behaving? Let's get started by heading over to your Google Tag Manager account. If you don't already have one, create a free account, then click on your container. This represents your website within your container. Navigate to the Tags section. This is where we'll be setting up our Google Analytics integration. Now, open Google Analytics. You'll need a Google Analytics account to once logged in. Select the appropriate property or create a new one. Use the GA for Setup Assistant feature to ensure your new GA for property works smoothly with your existing ones or set up your new property. Back in Tag Manager, click New to create a new tag. A tag configuration window will appear. Choose Google Analytics GA for configuration, or if you're setting up a Universal Analytics tag, choose Google Analytics Universal Analytics. This allows Tag Manager to connect the tracking information and send it to your Google Analytics account. Now we need to link the two, so let's grab your measurement ID from your Google Analytics account. Go to Admin, then Data Streams, and click on your data stream. Copy the measurement ID. This is unique to your property and where all your tracking data will go. In Tag Manager, return to the tag you're creating and paste your measurement ID into the designated field. This tells Tag Manager where to send the data. You can also select which fields to set and modify the event tracking settings as needed. Next, we need to fire this tag. Proceed to the triggering section. Select a trigger. A good starting point is the All Pages trigger, which means this tag will fire on every page of your website. However, depending on your needs, you can create custom triggers later. Before publishing, it's crucial to test your setup. Use the preview mode on Tag Manager. This allows you to browse your website and verify that the tag is firing correctly. Check to make sure each page is recorded correctly within Google Analytics. If everything looks good, go back to your Tag Manager account and submit or publish your container. Confirm the changes, and then your Google Analytics tracking is live. Now, your user interactions like page views and events will be tracked accurately.